My name is Carolyn Aldridge, and I am a resident of Brockton, have been for over 20 some odd years. And I am a breast cancer overcomer. I prefer that word because survivors survive. I've overcome this, and I'm on to the other part of my life now. During the journey, the one thing that I wanted to do more than anything was to share the other side so that somebody else going through it would have a hand to hold and understand what it was like to go through it, so that somebody else can say, oh, there's hope. And there's hope not only through having someone to support you, but hope in your doctors, hope in your medical teams, hope in the research that they're doing. You know, not just to say, okay, this is it, I have it, I'm done. After the cancer care, you're left with this, what do I do now feeling? The STAR program taught me what those next steps were. I actually had to learn how to have range of motion in my arm again after having the mastectomy, so I didn't have full range. And we had to find somebody to work on that. So I talked to Debbie Teevings-Gangle. She is called a patient navigator. And what she does is she's an advocate for the patients. When she says, well, STAR programs just started, you know, you'd be perfect. And I came in and they treated me with kid gloves. They were concerned about my range of motion in my arm, but they were tapped into how was I feeling as a person. Having come through it, you know, you're cancer-free, you're clear, but you have to get your body back to 100%. Each time I met with a physical therapist, it was like, so what's going on? How's your day? How are you doing around the house? Are you able to do this? It was more about getting me back to feeling me again. They worked with me to get physical, spiritual, mental, and emotional strength back. I knew that having Deb and the STAR program behind me, if I had anything that came up, any issues, once I went back to work, I had an advocate. And I really felt like I had gained a new sense of friends that were educated in what I had gone through, that weren't just feeling sorry for me as another survivor, but they wanted to see me ultimately be successful as an overcomer. And the STAR program did that. They gave me the confidence to sit here now and talk to you about it.